I don't like this coal. I'm going to get rid of it. What to do? I'm just showing people how bad that coal is. I don't like it.
What, is it already burnt?
Crackly.
Left over?
No, it's not burnt. It's just I just don't rate it. I like the Weber one. Oh, look at this. Mum's gonna kill me. Yeah, go on then. Tell me about your business in GTA.
Right, so I'm about to go steal his phone back because someone stole it.
Uh-huh.
But then my internet cut out, so...
Oh no.
If you want to come watch me steal it back, which I think Sterling might, you've got to play Harry's card and then come back.
Can't right now. Cause can you see I've got to cook.
Yeah?
But maybe another time. Broccoli. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nice healthy shot. Saw that from a geezer. An Ebenezer squeezer geezer. Oh, that's your 2 up.
Does it taste like a bit like honey?
Oh yeah.
You should have some Dr. Pepper with it. Come on, Dad. You always have Coke. It's boring. Dad, you always have Coke. It's a bit boring, isn't it? Do you like Pepsi?
What?
Do you like Pepsi?
Do I like Pepsi?
Like any Pepsi? Pepsi Max, Pepsi.
Yeah, love it.
Yeah. See, I feel like with Pepsi, I think you get a bit more flavour.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell that to Pepsi.
I feel like Coke is just a more known brand. So what, do you just taste like a bit of honey?
Yeah.
Because of the Jack Daniels?
Some of that. Girls, as ever, don't go near there. Yeah, some good heat. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I put it in there, the white one, yeah? Beautiful. Oh, damage that one now.
Circle.
What's that?
Put it in a circle.
No, that's the hot point. You gotta cook away from that, especially these little sausages. Oh, that's hot. Oof, that's hot. Flame grill. Jesus. Lemon and herb. Nando's Rob. Beautiful. Chicken thighs, nice and sort of fatty, getting really juicy. Lovely, lovely. Been marinating for hours. Beautiful. Right. Like that there. And then the other hand, so we don't mess around with flavours. Run out of bloody space. Oh, okay, that's a bit ambitious. Boom. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So we've got Nando's rub on them today. We have got medium on this top lot. Oh no, we haven't. I'm lying. I think we've got garlic on this top lot here. Lemon and herb on that. Beautiful. Bosh. Oh, looking good. Mate, look at that. I love red peppers. These flame grilled. Whoa. Just look at that. Is it good sausages?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very good.
Yeah, nice, nice. What are you eating?
And you don't know what you do.
Burger. It's hard. Nice char on that. Whoops. Good. Good. Have a bang on them. Right. This is going to be a mistake. But YOLO. The ice keeps you hydrated. Yeah. Is that the right one? Yes. A little Sunday fun day. Cheers to the week. Isn't that right, Alicia? I forgot to record the Jack Daniels impairing my abilities, but done on the flame grill. Let's get them on, finish them on, keep them cool. Not cool, but not in the indirect zone. Keep them cooking. But shh. Put these on. Start getting them cooking. That's beautiful. Oh, love it. Soften them up and then we'll directly cook them. When we take that off, finish them off. Oh, yes, mate. Beautiful. Nothing better than Jack Daniels. Here she is. Go on, Elbel. Show me what you got.
I'm dancing with my baby. I try and catch it.
Right, that's it. That's it.
You never get me. You never get me. You never get me.
Oh yeah. Crazy, you two. Yeah.
You can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me.
Oh, they look good. Smells good. Let's do this. Juicy. Oh, look at that. Bloody lovely. Lovely? Lovely. Bloody lovely. Absolute signature dish, this chicken. Yes, look at that. Yeah, have a bang on that. Look at that, mate. full. Nice. Green peppers. Peppers on barbecue, mate. Absolutely banging. Careful that one actually. Let's take that one off into the side. Clearly been cooking. Maybe that one. Oh. Go on, girls. Where have you got that baby food from? Oh, these smell good. Yeah, I reckon they're done. I reckon they're done. Put some green peppers. Banging. Medium Nando's and garlic and herb Nando's. Have a bang on them. Good. Let's actually get them off. Oh, left that on a bit too much. Get them over there.